Good morning, children. Welcome to Sanskrit session. Today we will begin our session with a Suvachanam Atmani Rakshite Sarvam Rakshitam Bhavati. It means take care of yourself. After protecting yourself, everything will be protected. Children, today we will study a topic given on page number 67, Vyanjananam Vistaraha. It means Vyanjan Sandhi. Here some rules of Sandhi Vigraha are given in this topic. Children, all of you know that in Sanskrit there are 13 vowels, 33 consonants and 2 swarashrit, and aha. There are 5 classes of consonants, namely Ka varga, Cha varga, Ta varga, Ta varga, Pa varga. In short, it is called as Kuchututupu. Non-class consonants are 8 in number. Sh, Sh, S are hard consonants and Y, R, L, V, H are soft consonants. All vowels are soft. First two alphabet or varna of each class are hard for pronunciation. Next, 3 alphabet of each class are soft and last varna is nasal. Now we will see first rule given in your book. First rule is, if a class consonant except nasal is followed by a nasal, the class consonant is replaced by the nasal of its class. Children, you will understand this with the help of an example. Here, what do we require? We require any class consonant at the end of the first word. Here, in the first example, Bhayat Muktaha, Ta is a class consonant. It belongs to Ta Varga. And it is not a nasal. What do we want? We want a class consonant other than nasal. Ta is not a nasal. And if it is followed by nasal, here it is followed by Ma. Bhayat plus Muktaha. Ta is followed by a nasal Ma. Then in place of Ta, nasal will come. Here in this word Bhayat, Halanta Ta is a class consonant because it belongs to Ta Varga and it is not a nasal. It is followed by Muktaha. Ma is nasal of Pa Varga. Pa, Fa, Ba, Bha, Ma. Since it is last varna, it is nasal. In this case, Ta will be replaced by nasal of Ta Varga, and that is Na. Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. And the answer will be Bhayan Muktaha. Next example is Mrut plus Mayuraha. In this example, Halanta Ta belongs to Ta Varga and it is followed by nasal or anunasik Ma. So, Ta will be replaced by anunasik of Ta Varga. Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. And that anunasik is Na. And Na will come in place of Ta. And answer will be Mrun Mayuraha. Next example is Shat plus Masaha. In this example, at the end of the first word, Halanta Ta is there and it is followed by Ma, and Ma is Anunasik. So, Halanta Ta will be replaced by Anunasik of Ta Varga, and that will be Na because Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. So, Na is Anunasik. So, it will come in place of Ta and the answer will be Shanmasaha. Next example is Vak plus Mayam. Here ka is followed by ma. Ma is anunasik. So ka will be replaced by anunasik of its class, and that will be nga, because ka, kha, ga, gha, nga. Nga is the last. So it will come in place of ka, and the answer will be Vangmayam.